Hello everybody, welcome back to the Metal Scrapper channel. Today we'll try again the DUCATI logo. And today I will cut it out with the styrofoam cutter. So let's do that, and I will be casting this in aluminium. So, as you guys can see, I've prepared the logo. I've got still the paper here, but it's okay. I will do fine sifted sand on this side, flip it over, put sand on this. I think I'm gonna remove this one, test some spruce. So this is all covered in sand, and then fill it with aluminium. I have a couple of concerns, like these edges are very small, so I hope they will fill out correctly. I've put a small piece of styrofoam between this because there was a hole here. So for the next project I have to keep in mind that these kind of edges need to be a little bit wider. So let's dry this and prepare the casting set. Alright, so we have ramped up the flask. You can see I did it a different way because I have a relief letters and a outside of the logo. So when I will pour, it will pour into the letters and the outside of the logo, I hope. So let's start up the furnace and pour some aluminium inside here. So, ready to ignite the furnace. Going to melt those hard shell ingots. Got 3 of those. And some scrap aluminium. So, let's get ready for it. about that. They all came out in one time. Okay, let's first quench the small one. Now the two big ones. Pretty warm. Alright, moment of truth. Do we have a DUCATI logo? Oh. Let's see. I don't think it totally filled the edges. There's still the paper. But I see perfectly the styrofoam. So that way it's a success, but didn't get the letters. As you can see, did not fill out the letters. I think it's just too small. There's not enough pressure. Didn't fill it out. So again, not a success. But we're getting closer. Burnt paper. But it took over the details of the styrofoam. So that's good. However, we're close, but it's not totally it. Too bad. Let's quench it. So let me get back with some cold water. Alright, let's see what we got. So there's a big crack over here. Can you see that? Yep. And yeah, as I a little bit expected it, the outer side is just too thin to fill it up nice. So if I'm going to do it again, maybe I need to make it a little bit bigger. We have almost letters. Maybe if I grind it a little bit, it will come out a little bit. We can see a D. Yeah, a U with a hole in the lower side. The C came out a little bit. The A, the T and the Y. This has been pushed. It's all has been pushed away by the sand. So not quite a success as I hoped. But you can see the exact form of the styrofoam, so that's okay. But not quite the result I was hoping for. So I will clean it up, maybe shave the edges a little bit away, because I want to spray it red and then grind it a little bit, so maybe the letters will come out eventually a little bit Don't need to be such high letters as there are now. But it's not what I was hoping for. But we will keep trying. Maybe I should do something more easy than this with letters. Yeah, so this is it. And if I got this cleaned, I will first go on holiday. So when this is cleaned, I will make a small update on this. Right, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Hit a bell button if you like meldings, because I will do plenty more of meldings and try to get it right. And I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.